Click on the link below to get price. The TotGuard Electric Bike is an impressive model that stands out in the crowded electric bike market, particularly with its robust 1000W peak motor and 48V battery. This bike is designed for versatility, making it suitable for various terrains, thanks to its 26 x4.0 fat tires, which provide excellent traction and stability on both rugged trails and smooth city streets. One of the most striking features of the TotGuard electric bike is its power. The 1000W peak motor delivers a remarkable amount of torque, allowing for quick acceleration and the ability to tackle steep inclines with ease. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a leisurely ride through nature, the bike's performance is commendable. The pedal assist feature works seamlessly, allowing riders to choose how much effort they want to exert while still enjoying a good burst of speed when needed. The bike's design emphasizes comfort and ergonomics. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to riders of various heights, ensuring a comfortable ride that can be customized to individual preferences. Additionally, the fat tires not only enhance stability but also absorb shocks effectively, making rough paths feel smoother. The battery life is another highlight. The 48V lithium battery provides sufficient range for extended rides without the constant worry of running out of power. Depending on usage, riders can expect a range of 25 to 40 miles on a single charge, which is more than adequate for most commuting needs. Safety features are also well considered, with a reliable disc brake system that offers strong stopping power, especially important when riding at higher speeds. While the bike is on the heavier side, weighing approximately 70 pounds, its sturdiness feels reassuring. The TotGuard electric bike represents a great balance of power, comfort, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest in an electric bike that can handle diverse riding conditions. Overall, it's a fantastic option for both newcomers and seasoned riders alike.